everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to make another sweet granola snack, and today I'm going to use a different type of granola. This is granola mixed with cinnamon and raisin, and we're going to be adding some pea protein into this and mixing it all up together. And you want to make sure you mix everything so you can have the granola all coated with the pea protein. Next, we're going to add some peanut butter. Now, I'm going to add half of this jar. You guys can add as much or as little as you want. Usually, that's how much it takes for me with the amount of granola I'm using to mix it up to use as a good binder. And I'm using cooking gloves. You guys can use a spoon to do this because this was kind of hard to do with the cooking gloves. They kept coming off, but they're a great way to use your hand and mix the granola, the protein, and the peanut butter all together. And all I'm going to do, guys, is spread this out and make sure it's all even layered. And I'm going to melt some chocolate with some coconut oil. And I absolutely love this. It was super easy to melt over hot water. You just add the chocolate in your drawer and you melt it all. And we're going to just drizzle this on top. You can add a thicker coat layer if you want, but I didn't want a lot of chocolate, so I just drizzle a little bit on top. And I'm going to spread this just over. It doesn't have to coat the entire thing, just spreading it to add some chocolate on just about every piece that we're going to cut out. And after you spread this, guys, we're going to cover it and put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Let that completely harden, sit, and then we're going to cut it into the pieces we want. I'm going to cut this in about 14 pieces so I can store it over to grab one as a snack throughout the day. And I just wanted to show you guys, these are about the size of the pieces. They're a little square size, some a little bigger or a little smaller. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and go over and watch my last video.